Is your don't ask how I know random fact? 1. There's a guy in Germany who has a 1-year waiting list and makes 6 figures making leather harnesses and masks for people who like to roleplay as horses. 2. During the 1969 to 1971 occupation of Alcatraz by Native American protesters, a drunken Richard Nixon ordered a nuclear strike of the island, but the order was ignored. 3. Old human bones are very porous, so if you lick them, they'll stick to your tongue. 4. If you work 40 hours a week and spend 10 minutes a day pooping, it equals a whole week of paid vacation per year. 5. If you're ever trying to survive in the Arctic, don't eat polar bear liver. It is so high in vitamin A it will kill you. 6. Instead of pushing out a turd, just take deep breaths. Just breathe deep and low. Allow the deep breaths to push out your turd. 7. A pigeon will only eat a starburst if you chew it up a little bit first. Just to clarify, chew the starburst, not the pigeon. 8. A significant component to what makes stealth aircraft stealthy comes down to how their parts are painted. 9.